Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have come here in the Joyram Bati. You can see the people are enjoying over here. I have come up with a new video. Go and watch our video. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. This is our Rath Yatra Special drawing part 2. In this video we are showing the coloring. Go and watch our part 1 video first where we have shown how to draw your Rath Yatra Special drawing. So go and watch part 1 video first for drawing. Here is coloring. So you need a 10B pencil and colors. Yes, these 3 colors you can see. This is the medium blue. We'll start with this medium blue. And we need also 10B pencil. So first let's start from the sky. So top of the sky I am going to color. This is a medium blue. Neither dark nor very light. Medium blue color. Whatever medium blue color you have, you can use this. And while you are coloring should be very deep and like a cloud. You have to leave your color, you have to give your color like a cloud. You can see, and the more it will be getting down, it will be lighter. You can see like a cloud, it's moving and it is getting lighter. Now I have taken the sky blue color, the lighter one. This is the lighter one, sky blue color, and smear both the color nicely. Mix the color with gently. Color should be mixed. Both the color should be mixed, and you can see that gradually the color is getting lighter. The more I'll get down, the color will be lighter. You can see very lightly, like a cloud. We have given the stroke. You can see floating. Thus it is looking. This cloud is floating now. This is the white color. Before doing white color, the white color should be very clean. So use a piece of cotton cloth. Again, color very deeply. Color should be deep. Color will be up to your horizontal bushes. You can see at the far there is horizontal bushes and the trees. The color should be up to that. You can see the tree lines also covered. I mean horizontal trees. Now take again the blue color. Do it with the blue color. You can even use viridian color also. Green color also you can use. You can use blue color also. If you are using blue color, it looks more nice. It looks very far, so the color is getting blue. Now use white color on this color, so that it shows is very far and the looking very lighter. Don't forget to use white color. After horizontal color, you should apply the white color on that color. Now take your lemon yellow color, means the light yellow, whatever light yellow have. So before that you have to give a little touch, a little green touch in your horizontal bushes, so that it looks greenish also. Even little green touch, and this is leaves. Just make a cross into sign, multiple sign, and you can draw a line with a pencil also. You can draw this line. That will be easier for you with your 10B pencil. Okay, so come to our next. That is, I told we need to take a lemon yellow color. I means light yellow. Whatever light yellow you have, clean the color with your piece of cotton cloth. Now apply the color. The color should not be go into the human figure's body, or there is a house also, should not be going to that. So be very gentle. After lemon yellow I took little dark yellow. This is the lemon yellow. After I took the darker than lemon yellow, first light yellow, then little dark yellow. You should use 12 shades color. Now sap green, I mean light green color, use first in gently, very light. That should be mixed nicely. Don't do very dark. You can see I'm not applying very dark. Then mix. So for mixing you should again use that medium yellow color on it, so that it mix nicely. And in the front I am using this color, same color I am using, very dark, or here also you can use your viridian, deep green color also you can use. So I am here using the sap green color. Both the use, the main concept, the color should be darker, the more it will be closer. Here now you can see at the bottom I have used my deep green color. So here is light green and deep green, both the things I have used. Now this is your orange color. So at the left side of the roof will be orange. Now take your medium yellow color and mix the color. It shows that light is coming on the roof. Now next, see this roof will color. So here this orange color full cover, you have to cover your full roof, you have to cover. This roof is made out of, it is called in Bengali tali, means tiles. It is made out of burnt clay. Now take either red color or brown color for the shades. At the right side the shades will come, either red color or brown color. Whatever color you have you can mix. For mixing I am orange color again using on the brown color so that it mixes nicely. So you need to clean your color, otherwise your color looking very dirty. Now either with pencil or even with the color, that is brown color, just give a line, show it looks the tiles. Only this much is enough. This house is far, then there is one more house that is in front. Now I'm coloring. This house is front, closer, and that house is far. Your right side house is closer than left side house. Now you can see with your pencil or with the color even. I am using this dark color. This is a violet color or Prussian blue color. It is very deep, either Prussian blue or violet color. Just draw. I have seen, I have this given the line. You can understand how this is line. I have first draw a line. In the middle line will be vertical straight line, then other both the sides line will be, I'm showing, you have to follow this. It looks that it's a tiles block for this reason. And you can give scratching also. There is, I have given a small either scratch, or you can do color with also. You can give color on that. In that you have seen the tiles, there is some design. Now take the color and use it very darkly. So here I am using this. This is the deep brown color. You can see you have to leave the window, so you color like that way. Deep brown color. So you can see up to this deep brown. Then you have to leave little white space, because that shows that there is a baseline, that is a base. This is bigger, the base is bigger, little bit bigger of the house. This is the base of the house. Now take your yellow ochre color. This is the yellow ochre color, and mix with your deep brown color. And here also it will be yellow ochre, not light yellow, deep yellow. Now take brown color. This is the light brown color. Give little touch. Now this is our dark violet color. So you could have used before also, before brown color or after also, and just draw a line. You can use your deep pencil also for this lining, that will be easier. deep pencil. With the deep pencil you can draw the line even at the bottom of the house. So you can see we have completed a house coloring. Now we will color this our closer house, the right side. So here look, you could have started like that way also, you could have started like that way also. So first I am using the deep violet color. Now for the window look, I am just coloring vertically and leaving a line. I have left a vertical line to show the window. Don't have to be prominent that much, your window should not be prominent because it is coming under shades. This is shadow upcoming, so for this reason I'm using this violet color. So I've started with this dark violet color. Then you can take your dark brown color, same color that you used for the left side house, and mix the color with the violet color. That is very necessary and important to mix the color with the violet color. Look, take your time to mix the color gently. Color is mixed nicely, nobody can identify where it is mixed. And leave the trees leaves, but don't have to follow too much the trees leaves. Now here same base, for the base portion I am coloring the dark brown same color, but I have left a little white space. And there is a tree also, so this is a tree trunk, that should be a different color. That will be light brown color. Just I am showing so that you can understand difference of light brown. This is the light brown. Now take, this is what color? This is a gray color. This is the gray color. Clean your color and give a gray touch. This house is closest, so here we are doing little bit more detailing. And after using gray color, this house is looking like a really made out of clay house. You can see, and color is mixed so gently, you can see the color is mixed so nicely. So this is again our yellow ochre color. We have given little touch. So little bit green color we have given, and with the pencil also you can draw like this. This is cracking. This shows the mud house is cracking. Now look, this is once again our dark violet color. Here you can use pencil also. It is showing that some some bamboo is coming out. Here you can do scratching also. So I hope you learned this much. We will come next in our part 3 video. So it is individually, it looks like a painting, so you should practice this. Next time is your turn.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.